Let's make some cheese crackers to go with a keto taco soup that I'm fixing. I fix these little crackers all the time. You can use them with anything or just whenever you're in the mood for a cracker. I'm taking real cheddar cheese and just cutting it into small squares. And I have a piece of parchment paper and a baking sheet, and I'm just going to throw my little squares on here right real quick. You can use whatever flavor of cheddar that you like the best. I think this one is a mild. These things really don't spread out very much when they melt, surprisingly. But I will have to get another pan, as that one's full. You could do them plain like this. You could throw garlic powder or garlic salt on there. You can put Mrs. Dash, any seasoning that you want. But I'm really fond of everything but the bagels seasoning. Just going to sprinkle. And I have the oven preheated to 425. Put them in for about 8 to 10 minutes depending on your oven. And also depending on just how crunchy that you like them. I like them almost too brown, according to my husband anyway. I like to bake them until they actually get crunchy and it tastes like a cracker. He likes his just barely melted and holding together. So, it's just your choice. But this right here makes a fantastic substitute for a cracker when you're craving one. Oh yeah. That is what I like right there. And these are a lighter brown. So that will make hubby happy. But guys, there you have it. That is a super easy way to make a substitute cracker. And you can also use shredded cheese. All you have to do is pile it on your parchment paper, put whatever seasonings, and bake it exactly the same way. It spreads out to be a little circle rather than square. So, whichever way you like it best, it doesn't matter. But you got to give that a try.